All right, guys, what is going on? It is Travis, and I have something that I want to show you about LinkedIn. I'm not sure if you guys knew this or not, but this is probably one of the most powerful tools that you have. So when you're in LinkedIn, go up and click on the icon that shows your face, and then go into the settings and privacy. So let's see if we can find that in your settings and privacy. Let's see. Sign in and security. Nope. Visibility. So the funny thing is here, let's see if we can. There it is. Okay, so the funny thing is, I was literally reading, and I'll show you just so you can see. I was literally reading from the LinkedIn directions, updated 4 days ago, of how to do this. Select settings and privacy. I don't really exactly. Data privacy is what the option is. But that just goes to show you that not everything is correct and sometimes people are wrong. But anyways, what I want is actually to go in here and click that and click request archive. And this is actually going to take a little while because if you go back in my profile here, I can show you I've got quite a few connections here. 500 plus. 3,400. Congratulations, I just went over 3,400. And thanks to my 3,400th connection for that. Let's just take a look and see a couple other cool things. Who viewed your profile? If you're not using this, I literally try to make sure anybody that I'm viewing is viewing my profile I'm getting connected with. That's part of the reason why I've got to where I'm at. And then looking at the engagement demographics. So I was at 1,500 on the 17th, and it's come down here, 3,600 total impressions over the last 7 days, which is actually a lot. But you see I got system administrator, field engineer, sergeant, IT engineer, managing director. That's cool. I look at companies, and it's funny because I'm on here. Some defense contractors, Amazon, my new favorite company, U.S. Army Cyber Center of Excellence, that's awesome, and University of Louisville. So, kind of cool thing. I don't know if most of you guys know this, but you can actually also go and post an activity, and you can also see what you've done lately. So you can actually change this ID to any person's user ID on LinkedIn, and that will allow you to see their activity. But I always kind of like to look at my posts. This is my last post, 599. The toothpaste post, 2,000 impressions. I got a post of the fence. This fence post got 3,700 impressions. And let's just dig into some of these demographics, which is pretty cool. President 53, 51 owners, general managers, directors of information technology. You can see chief executive officers, account managers. So it's really sweet that I've got these companies, and we could just kind of take a look at who some of them are. I recognize a bunch of these names out there, some stellar companies on this list. And so that just shows you kind of what kind of reach you're getting. And I don't want to single anybody out. I love all these companies, and I've created a network that I want to share things that I learn with my network. So I hope you guys get value, and I appreciate you being in my network. And thanks for checking this out. I thought it was pretty sweet, little tips and tricks, and hopefully the email will be here soon. And I'm gonna get this list, and I'm gonna do a little bit of phone calls. So if you guys get a call from me, this is the video of how to make that call. If you want to call some of your LinkedIn connections and convert those connections into sales here. So that's it for now, guys. Make sure you like, share, follow, all that fun stuff, and we'll see if we could do some